Hello friends, let's get started applying Venetian plaster. We're going to use Venice Lime Venetian Plaster by San Marco in color T620. Let's apply the first base coat. In the previous lesson, we learned the priming process and you already should have primed sample boards ready. Open the bucket with plaster and always make sure the material is in good condition. Make sure the packing is intact and material itself isn't dry or runny. Take all material from the lid and mix it in circular motion to the bucket. Grab material with the spatula and put it on the trowel. First, let's use the spatula to cover all corners. Then go ahead and use the trowel to apply plaster all over the sample board. Apply a thin coat of plaster while holding the trowel at a 15 to 30 degree angle to the wall. Spread the plaster with strokes that vary in length and angle. Our goal is to cover the surface with a smooth, even layer without uncovered spots. Your layer should be about 1.5 millimeters or half an inch thick. Clean off the trowel with a wet microfiber cloth to keep dried plaster from getting into your finish. After cleaning the trowel, use it to go over your plaster to even it out and remove extra plaster if it came out too thick. That's it. Our first coat is done. Let the plaster dry thoroughly, about 4 hours, before applying the next coat.